It is awesome.
Yes.
Are those people in line for us?
Yep.
It's recording. Say hi.
They're gonna teleport.
Hello.
I can't see it.
Hey. What are you doing?
You're videotaping. Are you videotaping?
Yes, I am. Look at the people. They're bored.
Your bubble's huge. How can you be bored at Disneyland? That is a crime.
I know it is.
Atopia. You guys are.
You have blue pen on your suckers.
Meh.
My finger's spotted. This is what happens when you hang around
It's a rare breed.
No,
It's a rare breed of finger.
I was using marker and I somehow dotted my pan.
And then she just attacked it.
It's squishy's color. Orange. With the orangeness.
I like my little. This is the only way I remember which bag is mine and which bag's my dad's, because our camera bags look pretty much the same. And so I have this on mine.
Mine broke. My bracelet broke.
Becky needs to make us new ones.
I can make it. I just need stuff.
She told you she wanted to teach me.
Yeah,
she wanted to teach me.
It's quite simple. Basically, you're tying knots.
Dang it!
I need to zoom in on
My sister's roommate works in the character department, or the costume department. So I asked my sister to ask her if the hat is attached to the wig. But she's in a different department, but she's gonna ask. I don't think it is either.
Because I've seen the hat, like, just there. So.
That was kind of weird how that lady wanted to draw my hat. That was really It's 11:42. Oh, I didn't. It's no.
Fear the doggy.
It's 9:36. Eek now.
Dog. Oh my gosh.
Had her ask this one time.
It's my dad.
Right. Yeah.
It's my dad.
Your dad. Hello.
And then he started taking pictures of me. And this is me trying to get my phone back.
Very girly squeal.
Yeah, it was very manly squeal.
Very manly today.
I like the way he walked away. That was a very subtle Monty Python too.
Yeah.
He was just administrative.
It's a dog, right? I know, someone pointed that out on my video. I'm like,
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
That's Kayla and Hannah, I think. I think it's, no, Hannah wasn't at her party. Whose party? It might have been Kayla.
Dude, wow.
Hello, joining us. Welcome aboard. The next leg of our journey will take us
I don't know, maybe they were just pulled together.
Maybe it was what? You were thinking
Jenny!
It's a mighty long drop from the canyon floor. So for your
I saw Kayla and Ariel.
That was a month ago.
And
I haven't seen her since February.
Con su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren.
Here comes the music. Here goes. Bird time. So we kind of like spend time with that. Look guys, the bird's going up. How quick and Sarah's over This is my jam. Don't know yourself.
I want a shirt that says I scare tourists.
Remember, like, there was that thing in the train? I was like, what's that? You're like, I don't know, remember what it was. Oh, a bird. I was like, what's that? And you're like, a bird? What kind of bird?
I love that rainbow. It looks so
What
real.
happened to my music? It died. Because it doesn't play anymore.
It's scared of your dancing.
Look, it likes inside. They haven't fixed it in the ground. Well,
It's really dark.
just a little. That jam again. Another egg inside.
They're very subtle. Oh, I like the snail.
Oh, you know what I like? I like the people that are drinking water.
I still don't understand how a snail can get rid of a cockroach.
Yeah, seriously, I don't get that.
It makes no sense to me.
We have to eat cockroaches, get snails. We have to eat snails, get French people.
Yeah, you'll try to get bombs. Why are we bombing the French?
I like the French.
Depending on the time of day, the French go either way. Oh my gosh, my toes are asleep.
Waterfall.
When she first came into the class, she came in a couple months in. We were listening. She was talking to a teacher, and all we hear is was French. And so like my friend Andrew goes up to her. Like and says something to her, and she's like, yeah, hi. And he runs back like oui. He's like, hi. And he runs back and he's like, she speaks English. Andrew's amazing. I love Andrew. Did I tell you about how the last day of school he ran up to me? Oh, he's like, I'm gonna miss Brooke, and then ran off. Remember when we're like trying to throw this balloon out? She's like, are you sure? Let's go around again. We have to go to Fantasyland. Yeah, it's almost 12, but we can walk there. Fantasyland. That means more Robert. We played Where's that? Where's Eddie? I don't see Eddie. Where's Eddie? Oh, we played Where's Robert when Robert was nowhere to be seen. Where's Robert? I didn't find him. Where's Michael? Where's Robert? Here.
With me for the Grand Circle Tour of Disneyland.
Here?
It
It amuses me how they're like, now we're going back to the time of today when we're going into a place that's supposed to be set in the past. It amuses me.
Oh, look at Eeyore. Eeyore's all the way down the street. Poor Eeyore.
Are we getting off?
Yes.
Why?
Because we're going to walk to Fantasyland because it's faster than taking the train.
We like trains.
We'll take it out during this year.
And stop.